Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD Tech 360. Like, share and subscribe and also click bell icon.
Hello guys, today we are going to convert this part to parasolid, iges and step file. Okay, let's start how to convert this. Go to file and export and select your parasolid, select object. Okay, give here port name. I give here a port. Okay, it has created. I show the parasolid port file. Yeah, this is we have created. At end of the name x underscore t. Next one is igs file. Select here igs and this is the display port. Give the location and give your igs file name. I type here file igs. Okay, it is converting. Okay, it has converted. I show you the igs file. Yeah, this is we have converted. This is two file we have converted. Then again go to export and select your step file. Give the location. And click here, go to the same location and give your name for step file, step underscore file. Okay, it is converting step file. Okay, it has converted. This is we have converted three files: parasolid, igs and step file. If you want send the mail to this parasolid and igs step file, we have to convert this zip file. I show you how to convert the zip file. This is we have created. I make one folder. I give name here 3D model and copy these three files and paste here. Okay, then go to right click and add to archive. Okay, it is converted as a zip file. We can use it to send the mail. Okay guys, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and share your friends. Give your suggestions in comment. Okay.